The under 6,000 price range is my favorite badminton racket bracket. Honestly, because at this price, you're not just settling for a beginner rackets anymore. You're getting a proper attacking racket or a proper all-round racket and even a few frames that look and feel like flagship pro rackets but just at an accessible pricing. So 10 rackets today, every one of them is genuinely worth your hard-earned money. But before going ahead, please subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 50,000 subscribers. We are this close. It really motivates me to create more such amazing and honest content for you guys. Just smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates from God of Sports. Also, I'll be doing our first Q&A in some time. So if you have any questions regarding anything, I'm happy to answer that in the Q&A video. You can drop those questions below in the comment section. So now coming back to the video. The first racket I would recommend is the Yonex Astrox 7DG. This is the first proper Yonex Astrox you can buy without spending crazy money. It's an entry-level Astrox with real durability. The DG in the name stands for durable grade. Yonex uses a stronger frame construction so the racket can handle high tension without cracking. It can hold tension up to 35 lbs, which is mentioned on the shaft as well. That's genuinely useful because most rackets at this price cap out at 26 to 28 lbs tension, but this one goes up to 35. Basic specifications are it's a 4U version weighing around 84-85 grams, G5 grip and a medium flex shaft with a slightly head-heavy balance. It's recommended for intermediate players moving up from a beginner racket and club players who want proper Yonex attacking feel at an entry Astrox price. It's the best Yonex racket for anyone who can string up to 30 lbs. So the Yonex Astrox 7DG is available for 5,592 rupees on God of Sports. The link to buy is in the description. So the second one is the Yonex Astrox 99 Play, the third generation racket. And here's something interesting. This is the accessible version of the PV Sindhu's actual competition racket. Here you get PV Sindhu's Yonex Astrox 99 series aesthetics and the attacking DNA at a fraction of the Pro Series price. It's genuinely head heavy, the smash focused character, and it has got the Meteor colorway. Yonex has made the shaft slightly more forgiving, so you don't need Sindhu's technique to actually play with it. It's a good attacking racket. In terms of the specifications, it's a classic 4U G5 setup. It's got a medium flex shaft, but the balance is head heavy. It's highly recommended for intermediate attackers who love the smash and want to swing something that looks and feels like the Pro Astrox 99, but without the professional technique demand and the pricing. It's honestly for anyone who's inspired by an attacking game style. In terms of pricing, this racket is available on my platform for just rupees 4,020. Link again is in the description. Third one is the Ionic 100 limited edition. If you don't know 100 yet, it's an exciting brand which is an Indian origin. It's used by players like Kidambi Srikanth, and the Ionic 100 is one of their most technically interesting, accessible tiered badminton racket. So what makes this racket special? It's got a flex assist technology. Most rackets at this price use standard graphite, but the Ionic 100 uses a shaft engineered to give you extra flex on the swing, which means your smash generates more power without needing pro level technique and power. It's basically 100 saying you don't have to be strong to smash hard. In terms of the basic specifications, it's again a 4U setup with G5 grip size and a medium flex and an even balance. So now who's this racket recommended for? It's for intermediate players who want an accessible attacking racket that's forgiving on technique. It's also great for players transitioning up from beginner badminton rackets. The price of this racket is 6,143 on God of Sports. The link to buy is in the description. The fourth one is the Li-Ning Halbertech motor. Halbertech is Li-Ning's all-round series, and motor is one of the most balanced rackets on the list. It literally does everything well. It's not the biggest smasher, not the fastest speed racket, but it's genuinely capable across all zones for the court. Perfect for players who don't want to specialize. You want one racket that handles smashes, drives, defense, net play all at once. In terms of the specifications, it's again a classic 4U G5 setup which weighs in and around 85-86 grams. It's got a medium flex shaft and it's even balanced. It's recommended for intermediate all-round players doubles players who need one racket for every zone of the court, singles players who win with placement and shot variety. So the price of Halbertech motor on our platform thegodofsports.com is 5282. The link to buy is in the description. The fifth one is the Li-Ning Axe-Force Cannon. This racket is available in 4 colors: deep teal, green, black and white. And this is where the video gets interesting because Axe-Force is Li-Ning's professional power flagship series, and the Cannon is the accessible price entry in the same series. So now what makes this racket so good? It's a genuinely head-heavy attacking racket at an accessible price. The Axe-Force name isn't just marketing. The Cannon actually gives you a proper power forward feel, which is similar to the Li-Ning's flagship Axe-Force character rackets that cost 3 to 4 times as much. In terms of the basic specifications, this one over here is a 4U version with a G5 grip setup. It's medium stiff and has got a head-heavy balance. One of the other specialities about the Axe-Force Cannon is they are available in 3 variants: 3U, 4U and 5U. So you can choose according to your weight preferences. This racket is highly recommended for intermediate attackers who want to feel what real head-heavy power feels like without spending that high amount of money. This is a stepping stone racket. Play it for a year and you'll know exactly whether to move up to the Axe-Force 90 or 100 next. In terms of the pricing, the Axe-Force Cannon is available at Rs 4243 on God of Sports. The link of all the 4 colors and all the variants are below in the description. So the 6th variant is the Max Bolt Gallant Tour, again available in 2 colors, white and black. Now if you play at any club in India, you might have definitely heard about Max Bolt Gallant. This is your entry point to proper attacking rackets. So now what makes this racket amazing is it's a proper tour level attacking DNA at a price of under Rs 6,000. The Gallant series is Max Bolt's attacking flagship used by Indian players who could easily afford Yonex Astrox but choose this instead because it delivers similar smash feel but at a much lower price. In terms of the basic specifications, it's again got a 4U G5 setup which weighs in and around 83-85 grams, but it's got a stiff shaft and it's head heavy in balance. It's highly recommended for intermediate to advanced attackers who love to smash. It's recommended for players with solid technique because the stiff shaft demands proper technique. If you have outgrown your beginner racket and want a serious attacking power, this is one of the best value for money in the whole list. So the price of Max Bolt Gallant Tour in be it either white or black is Rs 4,743 rupees on God of Sports. Links to buy both the colors are in the description below. The 7th one is the Max Bolt Superstar 11. And personal note here, this is the racket I've been playing with for the last 4 years. And it's genuinely one of the best racket decisions I have ever made. So what makes this racket special is its high tension capabilities. The Superstar 11 handles up to 43 lbs of string tension, which is way more than any other racket at this price. If you like to string slightly for extra control and sharpness, this is genuinely the only proper option in this price racket. Speaking about the basic specifications, it's again a 4U G5 setup which weighs in and around 84-85 grams. It's got a stiff shaft but an even balance. It's highly recommended for intermediate to advanced players who string at 30 lbs or higher, and it's also recommended for players who want an even balanced attacking racket which sits perfectly between a pure power or a speed racket. If you're serious about your game and know your stringing tension, this is my personal top pick from the whole list. The price of Superstar 11 right now is Rs 5,012 rupees, and it's available on our website in 2 colors, grey, red and blue, and both the links are mentioned in the description. Also one thing, the white color which used to be there in Superstar 11 is now sadly discontinued. So now 8th one here is the Max Bolt Woven Gold. This is the 3rd Max Bolt on the list because at under Rs 6,000 pricing, Max Bolt is genuinely the strongest value brand. And the Woven Gold is my most recommended first Max Bolt for Indian players. So what makes this good is the durability plus complete all-round performance. The woven graphite construction, literally the same weaving technique used in aerospace carbon. makes this racket last for years without losing its playing feel. It's beyond that. Smashes are powerful, control is excellent, and defense is comfortable. No weak zone, literally. In terms of specifications, it's again a 4UG5 setup weighing around 83 grams. It's got a medium stiff shaft and an even balance. It's highly recommended for intermediate to advanced all-round players who play a lot and want a racket that lasts. If you're new to Maxbolt and don't know where to start, this is the racket to buy. Also, I have previously made a video where I have explained what each and every Maxbolt series means. The link of that video is up over here and below in the description. The price of woven gold on our website is 5143. The link to buy this woven gold is below in the description. Ninth one is the Victor Aura Speed 30H. Aura Speed is Victor's professional speed series used by players like HS Pranoy. The 30H is the accessible entry in the same series. It gives you real Aura Speed character, fast head through the air, quick defense and sharp drives at price under Rs 6000. And the term H here, it means slightly head heavy balance, which is unusual for a speed racket. It means you also get some attacking bite but not compromising on the speed of the racket. In terms of the specifications, it's again a basic 4UG5 setup weighing in and around 83-85 grams. It's got a medium flex shaft and it's slightly head heavy balance. It's highly recommended for intermediate players and doubles players who love fast net play and quick drives. In terms of singles players who win with hand speed rather than pure power. The Aura Speed name isn't just marketing over here. This racket genuinely swings fast. The price of the Aura Speed 30H is Rs 3943 on our website and the link to buy is below in the description. And now the last one. It's the Victor DriveX 7SP. DriveX is Victor's all-round control series used by players like Fajar Alfian and Anthony Ginting at the flagship level. The 7SP is one of the most accessible DriveX rackets you can buy. What makes this racket special is that it gives you DriveX all-round DNA at a pricing under Rs 6000. The SP variant is tuned to be slightly more forgiving than the Pro versions. It's got a medium flex shaft, which means it's easier to swing and better for players still developing their technique. But the DriveX character is still there. A sharp drives, solid smashes and quick defense. In terms of the specifications, it's again got a 4UG5 setup, meaning it weighs in and around 85-84 grams. It's got a medium flex shaft and is slightly head heavy balance. It's recommended for intermediate all-round players who want a Victor racket that does everything well. Great choice if you're moving up from a beginner racket and want a first proper Victor at an accessible price. In terms of price, it's available at Rs 4222 rupees on God of Sports. Link to buy is below in the description. So alright, a quick recap with a decision guide across all the 10 rackets. So if you want maximum smash power, go for Astrox 7DG or 99 Play 3rd Gen or the Leaning Axe-Force Cannon or the Maxbolt Gallic Tour. If you want all-round performance that lasts longer, go for Maxbolt Woven Gold, Leaning Halbertech Motor or Victor Drive X7 SP. And if you want speed, go for Victor 30H. And also, if you want a forgiving, accessible attacker, go for the 100 Ionic 100. And if you string high and want sharp attacking control, go for the Maxbolt Superstar 11, the personal choice. Also, if you're stuck between two of these, drop a comment, tell me your level, your playing style, singles or doubles and your current racket. I'll personally help you find the right one from the list. Complete honesty, no push for any specific brand. Just what's right for your game. If you found this video useful, please leave a like, and if you want detailed brand series explained videos, I've done deep dives for Victor, 100 and Maxbolt. All the 3 links are in the description. Till then, keep smashing and keep rocking the badminton court.